Special Award ALDI Logistics Platform Control Project by IKNX Engineering in Spain. IKNX Engineering was asked to carry out the installation, programming and commissioning of a KNX supervision and control system across 3 newly built logistics platforms and the expansion of another for the supermarket chain ALDI. Located in Dos Hermanas, Sagunto, and Miranda de Ebro, these centres are centrally managed from ALDI's headquarters in Barcelona. Each centre operates independently, ensuring uninterrupted functionality. The project employs a KNX-based control system to optimise energy use, achieve BREEAM certification, and set a new standard for industrial automation. Key features are independent operation of each logistics centre to ensure continuous functionality in case of failure at one site. Centralized control from ALDI's headquarters in Barcelona, unifying 3 independent projects. Continuous data analyst to advise on optimal operations decisions. Full automation of industrial plants, enhancing safety, comfort and efficiency.